Ever wondered how martial arts, a form of combat, turned into an art of discipline and self-improvement? Martial arts captivates people worldwide, transcending just fighting to embody discipline, self-control, and personal growth. Understanding its evolution not only fascinates us, but also provides a new perspective on martial arts. The history of martial arts is as diverse as the techniques themselves. Tracing back to ancient civilizations, martial arts were initially used for warfare. Gradually, they evolved into more structured systems, particularly in the East. Places like China, Japan, and Korea each developed their unique styles and philosophies, shaping martial arts into what we know them as today. From the fluidity of Kung Fu to the discipline of karate, each style is distinct. While these styles differ, they all share a common thread: the pursuit of physical and mental excellence. From ancient battlefields to modern dojos, martial arts have dramatically evolved. Once a method of combat, today it's a popular sport, a fitness regimen, a self-defense strategy, and for some, a way of life. The media and pop culture have played a significant role in promoting martial arts, shining a spotlight on its many benefits. Yet, despite its transformation and newfound popularity, the core values of martial arts, such as discipline, respect, and self-improvement, remain intact. So, we've traveled through time, understanding the rich history and evolution of martial arts. From ancient origins to modern adaptations, it's been a fascinating journey. Remember, martial arts isn't just about fighting, it's a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. So, are you ready to embark on this journey?